this Airtel guys, they are doing some kind of scam. And अभी ये सब बात होने के बाद इतना मेरे को scam, or the lack of interest they have for the customers. But definitely it's something which is unacceptable from this huge big telecom. So I'm going to tell you about the Airtel. This is a scam, or I don't know, but मुझे तो इतना लगता है कि this is a totally a scam that they are doing with the customers. So let me come from the initial state. Okay, so I brought this postpaid services from the Airtel, and I think you people might be using it. So ये मेरे पास फैमिली पैक है. So postpaid का क्या एक खासियत है, या they have some speciality in this is like if you'll go to the mountain area, Jammu or somewhere, you will get the tower, you will get the network. Okay, so वहाँ पर if you are using prepaid, then there is no uh, network for the prepaid customers. So ये पता नहीं why there is a discrimination on this. For postpaid there is a different services, and for the prepaid there is a different services. Okay, so what, that is all the business tactics they have. Okay, and today I'm going to tell you about all that I have gone through, and still I'm following up with these guys, and they have no information about this. Okay, so this I'm going to show you all this return cases which I have logged with Airtel via store, via call 198 from Jan 22nd. I observed कि यार कुछ तो issue है with my data. Okay, and that's where I came across that one day when I was downloading my Google photos. It was around 1 TB, so I was downloading the data to keep it in the local disk. That's where I realized कि मेरा पूरा 360 GB का data in I think in 2 or 3 hours it vanishes. Okay, so I was surprised कि यार Airtel, they do the advertisement as the 5G unlimited, and now I'm facing this kind of issue. 20 meters away there is a 5G tower, and I'm getting a 5G tower every time whenever I'm at home. ठीक है, तो this thing I was totally agreed कि मैं मेरे घर मेरे साइड में तो कुछ गलत नहीं है. ठीक है, then too I've raised a complaint on 22nd Jan कि my data pack is being consumed on the 5G network, where you people are committing that in 5G network. मतलब 5G में जब 5G का जो symbol आता है आपको, that time there should not be data consumption that should happen from your data pack. Okay, the statement is very clear. Okay, now what is happening here right now is I try to call them, I try to explain all the things which I'm facing. And even I went to the store, इधर मुंबई में एक स्टोर है. I went to that store and I told that guys कि ये फेस हो रहा है करके. तो for a temporary they given me 50 GB का pack for a month, and उन्होंने क्या किया है, this they have given twice and they have adjusted the bill also. So if that is, if they say कि यार this is a policy, then I was expecting email from them, from the store guys, but they said कि sir हम authorized नहीं है store people to give you the email, or in the written we can verbally give you. Okay, there is two guys. One is a store manager and one is a regional store manager who look after 10 or 15 um, stores across Mumbai. Okay, so I don't want to take a name because it goes to personally, but I just wanted to keep it under this business level. Okay, so ये, so I've raised a complaint and मैंने बात किया, but every time whenever I raise a complaint, this customer care people, they raise something different. Okay, so they raise like कि 5G का issue है या 5G इंटरनेट का issue है. ठीक है, मैंने बोला देख, there is no 5G issue, network issue. Network is super duper fast, and I agree with you people, यार, you are the best network. Okay, you have the best network everywhere. And my only question was, when I'm connecting in 5G, why the data is being consumed from my data pack? My statement is very clear. For this, they don't have any answer till now. I'm following up with the nodal officer. आई एम फॉलोइंग अप विद द स्टोर मैनेजर फाइनली ये देखो दिस इज अ स्क्रीनशॉट व्हाट ही सेड कि देयर इज नो वे आउट आपको द द स्टेटमेंट व्हिच आई एम गिविंग आपको सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो रहा तो यू कैन गो एनीवेयर इवन टू द कोर्ट और इवन एनीवेयर यू कैन गो बट unfortunately if this is a statement from these managers then there is no way out. When I am a technical guy, when I know what is wrong, if your advertisement is a scam which you are doing to the people, so this should be come in the light. So I told ki theek hai, I agree, if you have a policy just give it in the email, but the store manager who was a regional manager not a store manager, he didn't give. He said ki sir hum authorized nahi hai and we can't give you that. ठीक है. Then I have around 10 to 15 complaints on call. Then escalation team के साथ I have four escalation I have done it ID, but still now everything is open. ठीक है. First escalation I have done it, they have given 1 month or time resolve हो जाएगा बोले नहीं हुआ. Then second I have done it escalation call. Normal incident that is different. When you call the customer service and you get that ID that is different. And escalation का एक ID create होता है that is different. Okay. So this two IDs every time I call and they give me and the customer care services every time they open it they put it as an internet issue and I have that recording also. I'll show you in this video. Okay, and you just listen to it. Okay, this happened. तो एक महीना हुआ मैंने छोड़ दिया. Then Feb on Feb somewhere around I went to the store and every time I went to the store. Every time I have that the GoPro with me, okay, because I go for the ride and all, so I keep that GoPro on every time. So क्या होता है ना, when I enter the store, yeah, I was pretty much disturbed because of this thing happening, and the truth they are not accepting. Okay, they saying कि ये प्रोडक्ट का इशू है एंड प्रोडक्ट चेंज करने के लिए टाइम लगेगा मतलब देन यू आर टेकिंग द बिल. आप लोग लोगों से पैसा लेते हो प्रीपेड अमाउंट और अनलिमिटेड करके यू जस्ट एडवर्टाइज इट. सो दैट इज ऑल द रॉन्ग थिंग दैट दे डू. तो आई सोल्ड देखो यू जस्ट आई डोंट वांट एनीथिंग, यू जस्ट गिव मी इन द रिटर्न की पॉलिसी में ऐसा ऐसा है. एंड इफ यू आर सेइंग that it is an product fault or the product which we have done it for the people, it's not correct accurate. Okay, so give it in the email. So abhi tak nahi diya unhone. To the store Sion Mumbai branch, I was having that GoPro camera which was on. I went to the store and I was talking to the senior guy. Okay, front face to face. And मेरे बाजू में like there are 4 or 5 customer service executive who was talking to the customers also, क्योंकि उनको उधर अटेंड करना है और मैं I was talking to the senior because they know कि मेरे escalation cases है and he's been following up with me with the Airtel guys since 1 month. तो मैंने बात कर रहा था तो तभी सडनली वन फीमेल शाउटेड एट मी कि भाई तू क्या करता, तू रिकॉर्डिंग बंद करो नहीं तो मैं कंप्लेंट करूंगी, ये करूंगी वो करूंगी. भाई देख, when I'm as a customer I'm talking to someone in face to face, why some of the junior, I won't say the executive, why they have to jump in between the conversations. If सामने वाला बोल देता तो I might have stopped it because इतना तो मैं I have the knowledge कि यार इतना तो एजुकेटेड हूँ कि या आई नो आई नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड सम ऑफ द वर्ड्स और सम ऑफ द सेंटेंस. they also have some policies, they have some rules and regulations which I need to follow. ठीक है, I've stopped it. Then this, she shouted at me and she insulted me, misbehaved with me in front of all the customers. Even I didn't say anything and I've escalated to the store manager and he said कि सर अभी आप escalation करेंगे उसका जॉब जाएगा. But I said कि ठीक है जॉब तो मेरे वजह से किसी का जॉब नहीं जाना, बट द थिंग इज यू जस्ट गिव मी द सॉल्यूशन. आई वोंट इंटरफियर इन दैट केस, अदरवाइज आई हैव टू डाइवर्ट टू दैट आल्सो. देन इट्स बीन ऑलमोस्ट 1 week 2 weeks. मैंने स्टिल आई वाज फॉलोइंग विद द स्टोर मैनेजर. ही सेड कि सर मलाड में मेरे एचओ ऑफिस है एयरटेल का, देयर वी सीनियर्स यूज्ड टू सिट, मैं उनसे बात करके आई विल गिव यू द रिस्पॉन्स. बट स्टिल नाउ व्हाट द सीनियर सेड इज सर आप जो भी है मेल पे करो. There is a grievance cell, there is a nodal officer email, that one, and one is 198 where the complaint usually people log. ये तीन ही है. ठीक है, दे सेड कि सर स्टोर पे मत आओ करके नहीं बोला, store people can't help. Okay, but then I asked why you have a store when you can't help. When why you have a store? So they don't have any answer for that. Then there's a guy, two guys, I used to speak. Then उन्होंने बोला कि sir don't call us again and again, and don't take a follow with us, because जो भी है हम we can't entertain you and we can't help you. This is what the statement was. We can't entertain, and don't waste your energy on this searching for the answer. Okay, so I told कि ठीक है, I'll go to the extreme. अभी आप इतना बोल दिया तो I'll go to the extreme, and even your seniors can't help, तो I don't want to quit. मैं छोड़ूंगा नहीं इसको, ठीक है. And still yesterday, from last 2 weeks I have again escalated the case, and these are the IDs, escalated IDs which I have. And these guys, they give me a रिंग भी नहीं, 1 सेकंड का कॉल आता है, कट हो जाता है, एंड वो मेल पे डालते हैं कि कस्टमर्स वाज नॉट अवेलेबल, सो वी रिक्वेस्ट यू टू वेट. अभी 29 मार्च तक दे हैव आस्क्ड मी टू वेट, बट आई डोंट नो व्हाई. They don't have answer for that. Okay, and every time they call me, they give some rubbish answer. They say कि exactly, they don't say what exactly happened. ठीक है, ये 3 महीने से चल रहा है मेरे साथ. It's all the pure scam that Airtel is doing on the name of the 5G, and now they have doing the advertisement for 5G plus also. टेलीकॉम में क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो. बिकॉज फॉरेन कंट्रीज में क्या होता है, थोड़ा भी कंप्लेंट देता है तो दे टेक द नेसेसरी एक्शंस. एंड अभी ऐसे टेलीकॉम में देयर इज अदर वेंडर्स आल्सो, जियो, वोडाफोन स्टिल दे हैवंट implemented 5G, and I think अभी उन्होंने 5G implement कर रहे हैं. दे आर स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, बाहर 4G नहीं है, हम लोग 5G implement कर रहे हैं, खत्म. बट दिस 5G, दिस Airtel guys, दे आर डूइंग सम काइंड ऑफ स्कैम. एंड अभी ये सब बात होने के बाद इतना मेरे को द स्ट्रेस, आई एम वेरी स्ट्रेस्ड आउट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लम. बिकॉज यार, नेटवर्क इज समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी, बिकॉज मेरा प्रोफेशन है, एंड आई एम ऑल्सो वर्किंग प्रोफेशन इन नेटवर्क. यार तुम लोग जब हमको ही बना रहे हो, एंड यू नो वेयर विल आई गो, कंज्यूमर कोर्ट पे कितने, लाइक आई डोंट नो मैन, कुछ प्रूफ नहीं है, क्या करेंगे कंज्यूमर वाले. दे विल आस्क फॉर द प्रूफ, वेयर वी विल गो फॉर द प्रूफ. सेवरल क्वेश्चंस आल्सो या एक 10-15 क्वेश्चन पूछा, उसका अभी तक आंसर नहीं आया. ठीक है, दे आर जस्ट गिविंग द स्क्रिप्टेड ईमेल. ओके, आई गिव यू, इफ यू विल सी ऑल दिस थिंग्स, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. अगर मैं पोर्ट कर दूंगा तो सारा चीज खत्म हो जाएगा. दे विल से कि अभी तो तुम लोग ने पोर्ट कर लिया, देन दिस इज व्हाई आई हैवंट पोर्टेड. And also, the service which I wanted, I'm getting. So that's the reason I'm still fighting for it. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.